Hello everyone. Today we are looking at the last part of chapter 4, Basic Geometric Ideas. The part we are talking about today is triangles and quadrilaterals. What have you already learned? We have learned a little bit of triangles and quadrilaterals when we were learning about polygons. What we learned is triangles and quadrilaterals are also polygons. We also learned that the smallest polygon is a triangle. A polygon with 3 sides is a triangle and a polygon with 4 sides is a quadrilateral. Today we will be learning more about triangles and quadrilaterals. Our objective today is we will be able to identify different parts of a triangle and quadrilateral. We will also identify the different types of triangles and quadrilaterals. Let us start with our lesson today. Remember to take notes. You can pause the video and then write down what you can see on the screen. What are the different parts of a triangle? ABC is a triangle. We will look at the different parts of the triangle now. AB, BC, CA. These are the sides of a triangle. These are all line segments which are connected. ABC, BCA, CAB. These are the angles of a triangle. Note which letters are in the middle. In the first one, ABC. B is in the middle. So we are talking about the angle which is at the point B. Similarly, BCA, C is in the middle. So we are talking about the angle which is present at the point C. And similarly, CAB, A is in the middle, so we are looking at the angle which is present by the point A. We can also call them angle B, angle C, and angle A. You have to put the angle sign before the alphabets to help understand that this is angle. Next we have the points A, B, and C. These are the corners of a triangle and are called the vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. You can pause the video now and complete your notes. The different parts of a quadrilateral. So, a quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. The shape has got 4 straight lines, as we can see in the picture. What are the different parts of a quadrilateral? They are very similar to the parts of a triangle because both of them are polygons. We have got the sides AB, BC, CD and DA formed of line segments. Again, we have got the angles ABC, BCA, CDA and DAB. Just like the triangles, note which letters are in the middle, and these are the same angles as angle B, angle C, angle D and angle A. A, B, C, D. The corners. These are the points where all the line segments are meeting. These are called the vertex of a quadrilateral. The plural is vertices. Finally, we have got something which is special only for quadrilaterals. AC and BD are diagonals. Diagonals are the lines which are connecting the opposite angles of a quadrilateral. Again, pause your video and complete your notes. We have learned about the exterior, interior and boundary of a polygon. So we have got any shape, any closed curve. The inside of the closed curve is an interior. The outside of the closed curve is an exterior. And the line which is forming the closed curve is the boundary. Imagine you are in a park. If you're inside the park, you are in the interior. If you're outside the walls of the park, it is in the exterior. The walls of the park is the boundary. Triangles and quadrilaterals are also polygons. So, they also have the exterior, interior, and boundary. The boundary of a polygon is called perimeter. Next, we will look at the different types of triangle. We can define a triangle by its side or by its angle. If a triangle has got three equal sides, it is called an equilateral triangle. If it has got only two equal sides, it is called an isosceles triangle. And if a triangle does not have any equal sides at all, it is called a scalene triangle. Similarly, by angle, we can say that if all three angles of a triangle is acute, means it is less than 90 degree, then it is an acute triangle. If one angle is 90 degree, it is called a right triangle. And if one angle is greater than 90 degree, it is an obtuse triangle. So these are the 6 different types of triangles we are learning about today. Please pause the video and complete your notes. What are the different types of quadrilateral? Look at the pictures. We already know what a square is. A square has all sides equal and all angles are 90 degree. A rectangle, it has got opposite sides equal and all angles are still 90 degree. A parallelogram. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are equal and parallel. What does parallel mean? A parallel lines mean they do not meet each other. Have you seen a railway line? What happens to the railway line? Do the lines meet each other? No, they do not do. They are parallel lines. That is what a parallelogram is. The opposite sides are parallel. If we keep on making the lines longer, extending them, they will never meet each other. Have you thought, if a parallelogram has all its angles as 90 degrees, it will become a rectangle. If a parallelogram has all its sides equal and its angle as 90 degrees, it will become a square. Next, we will look at trapezoids or trapezium. A trapezoid or a trapezium is a quadrilateral which has two sides parallel. The other two sides do not have to be parallel. So where only two sides are parallel is a trapezoid. A rhombus. A rhombus has all sides equal and opposite sides parallel. So we can say a rhombus is also a parallelogram with all sides equal. If a rhombus has got its angles as 90 degrees, it will become a square. We will next look at a shape which is called kite. You know how a kite looks? This is exactly how a kite looks. In a kite, the adjacent sides, which means the sides which are touching each other, they are equal. You can see the blue lines which are equal in length, and you can see the red lines which are equal in length. These are the adjacent sides, and that is what makes it a kite. Again, pause your video to complete your notes. That is the end of the lesson. You will now click on the link which I will send you and complete your test.